To use magnification on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we can go to Settings, scroll all the way down, and then go to Additional Settings. Over here, go to Accessibility. At the top over here, switch to Vision, and then you should be able to find magnification. In order to use it, we need to enable the shortcut, which looks like this. We can press Got It. Of course, we can still customize the button by pressing Customize Button here. But essentially, this is how it looks like. So now, if you tap on this button, you'll activate the magnification, and you can zoom in and zoom out on the screen. You can, for example, tap on the screen in order to activate the zoom, and you can move around with 2 fingers. You can also use 2 fingers to zoom in and zoom out, like this, so even more zoom can be used. And if you want to disable the zoom, if you want to turn off magnification, then you can tap the button again. You can also zoom in temporarily, but first we need to make sure that the magnification type is set to full screen. And in order to change it, we need to go to magnification type over here and tap on this first option, magnify full screen, and then press save. You can use the shortcut to start magnification. We can touch and hold anywhere on the screen. And as you can see, we can just press and hold to quickly zoom in. Let's see again if it works. Now it doesn't work for some reason. So let's try to re-enable it. And there we go, now it works. As you can see, we can move it around as well. So we can drag our finger, and once we lift our finger, then we zoom out. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!